Charlie, hanging out in the shade. I can barely see you. There. We got you. You gonna come play? Come on, Charlie. Come on. Misha, Mish. You gonna get in, doggy? There he goes. Maddie! Maddie! Maddie, come here. Emma Ams. There's Charlie.
Maddie, what are you doing?
I don't know, he was playing. I even got him on video playing. And he got in the pool. Lily, she really wants Bella to get up and play with her or something. Come on, ladies. Come on. Simon. Come on, guys. Yogi. I see you under there, Yogs.
No, you need to roll on the spot now.
That's probably why she wanted her to move. Hi, Barkley. Emmy.
Huggy, you can't hurt me. No, you can't. Huggy. No, no hurting me.
Cooper. What are you doing under there? Brutus. Everybody's hiding under the play structure. Oliver, what are you doing? You moved. What are you doing? Oh, I gotcha. Oh, Lola and Brutus are laying together.
I'll take the camera right out.
Here's a Brutus. And Lola.
It's so loud.
I told Barkley sounds like he's gurgling.
Oh yeah, it does. But I have to love other doggies besides you, you know. Okay, they're coming. Alright, we gotta stop. They're coming.
Why are we rolling in dirt? Why?
Easy go. Yes,
What are you doing? Did you dig yourself a little hole to lay over here in the shade? Yeah.
Bailey!
Right there.